Did you know that you can make money with affiliate marketing even without needing a website? That's right, you heard me correctly. No complex coding, no web hosting fees, and especially no endless hours of design work. Intrigued? Well, buckle up because I'm about to show you how to tap into the billion-dollar affiliate marketing industry without touching a single line of HTML code. Today, we're diving into the world of affiliate marketing, the art of earning commissions by promoting other people's products. It's a gold mine that's been making savvy marketers rich for years. But here's the kicker. You don't need a fancy website to get started. Let me show you how. Because today I'll take you to affiliate marketing for beginners. How to start without a website. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and that little notification bell icon so that you don't miss out on any of our video updates. Plus, it helps us spread the ThriveWise love to help more people thrive wisely. Now, let's begin. Now, I know what you're thinking. But wait, don't I need a website to succeed in affiliate marketing? Well, that's actually a common misconception that's held back countless potential entrepreneurs. The traditional model goes something like this. Build a website, create content, drive traffic, promote affiliate products, and pray for conversions. Sounds exhausting, right? For many, this presents a massive hurdle. Building websites isn't just time-consuming. It can be downright intimidating if you're not tech-savvy. You've got to worry about hosting, design, SEO, and a million other details. Not to mention the ongoing costs of maintaining a site. It's enough to make anyone's head spin. And let's be real, in today's fast-paced digital world, who has the time or patience to wait months for a website to gain traction? You want results, and you want them now. The good news? The affiliate marketing landscape has evolved. The playing field has changed, and the rules? Well, they've been rewritten. So how about we dive right into the juicy stuff? The platforms and strategies that'll have you raking in affiliate commissions faster than you can save passive income. Buckle up because we're about to take a wild ride through the land of website-free affiliate marketing. Starting off with number 1, social media. First up on our Affiliate Express is social media. It's like having a bustling marketplace right in your pocket, minus the sweaty crowds and overpriced lemonade. Instagram is the visual powerhouse. It's not just for showing off your avocado toast anymore. With features like stories, reels, and shoppable posts, Instagram is a goldmine for affiliate marketers. Imagine being able to showcase products in action, share promo codes, and drive sales, all while looking fabulous in your PJs. Also, here's a pro tip. Use the link in bio feature or tools like Linktree to showcase multiple affiliate offers. Then you have TikTok, the new kid on the block, that's taking the world by storm faster than a viral dance challenge. With its algorithm favoring content over follower count, even newbies can go viral overnight. Create entertaining, product-focused videos, and watch as Gen Z and their parents' credit cards flock to your affiliate links. Next is Pinterest, the often overlooked gem of affiliate marketing. It's like a visual search engine where your pins can keep driving traffic for months or even years. Create eye-catching pins showcasing your affiliate products and watch as they spread across boards faster than gossip at a high school reunion. And finally, YouTube, the OG of video content. While it might seem daunting, remember, you don't need to be the next PewDiePie to succeed. Create honest product reviews, unboxing videos, or how-to guides featuring your affiliate products. It's basically like having your own TV channel, minus the ridiculous cable fees. Number 2, email marketing. Now, I know what you're thinking. Email? Isn't that what my grandma uses to send me chain letters? Well, hold on to your hats because email marketing is still one of the most effective ways to promote affiliate offers. Think of your email list as your own personal fan club. These are people who've actively said, "Yes, I want to hear more from you." It's like having a crowd of eager listeners every time you step on stage. But how do you build an email list without a website? Well, it's easier than you think. Use landing page builders like Leadpages or ClickFunnels to create standalone opt-in pages. Then you offer a freebie like an ebook or a checklist in exchange for email addresses. And finally, you promote your opt-in page across your social media channels. Once you've got your list, nurture it like a prize-winning orchid. Share valuable content, build relationships, and strategically promote your affiliate offers. It's kinda like dating. Wine and dine them first before you pop the question. Or in this case, the affiliate link. Number 3. Online forums and communities. Remember the days when people used to gather around the office water cooler to chat? Well, online forums and communities are the digital equivalent, minus the risk of spilling water on your shoes. Platforms like Reddit, Quora, and niche-specific forums are gold mines for affiliate marketers. But here's the catch. You can't just barge in like a bull in a china shop, spamming affiliate links left and right. That's a one-way ticket to Bandville. Population, you. Instead, become a valuable member of the community. Share your expertise, answer questions, and build a reputation as a helpful guru. It's like being the Yoda of your niche, minus the odd syntax and green skin. Once you've established that trust, you can subtly weave in your affiliate recommendations where appropriate. It's all about providing value first, promotion second. Number 4. Podcasting. Who says affiliate marketing has to be visual? Podcasting is like having your very own radio show, minus the 4 a.m. wake-up calls and cheesy jingles. You can start a podcast in your niche, build your audience, and seamlessly integrate affiliate promotions into your content. You can even share special promo codes, discuss products you love, or even bring on guests from companies you're affiliated with. The best part is that you can record a podcast in your pajamas and no one will ever know. Try doing that with a YouTube video. Number 5. Influencer collaborations. You struggling to build your own audience? No problem. Piggyback on someone else's. It's like hitching a ride on the popularity train, but without the risk of falling off and scraping your knees. You can reach out to influencers in your niche and propose collaborations. This could be sponsored posts, joint live streams, or even co-created content. By tapping into their established audience, you can promote your affiliate offers to a ready-made crowd of potential buyers. Remember, you don't need to partner with mega influencers. Micro-influencers, or those with smaller but highly engaged audiences, can often drive better results at a fraction of the cost. Number 6. Webinars and live streams. Lights, camera, affiliate action. Webinars and live streams are just like having your own interactive TV show. You can educate your audience, showcase products, and drop affiliate links faster than a hot potato. Platforms like Zoom, YouTube Live, and Facebook Live make it so easy to host your own digital events. And the best part? You can do it all from the comfort of your living room. Just remember to wear pants, since we've all seen those work from home fails. Now, I want you to imagine that you're a chef, but instead of being confined to a single kitchen, you have the entire world as your culinary playground. That's what affiliate marketing without a website is like. Without the constraints of a traditional website, you're free to experiment, innovate, and pivot faster than a cat chasing a laser pointer. You can mix and match platforms, try out different content formats, and tailor your approach to what resonates best with your audience. One day you might be creating a viral TikTok dance featuring your favorite affiliate products. The next, you could be hosting a live Q&A on Instagram, dropping affiliate wisdom like it's hot. And the day after that, maybe you're creating a podcast episode that weaves your affiliate offers into a gripping story more seamless than a well-oiled machine. This flexibility allows you to ride trends faster than a surfer catching the perfect wave. New social media platforms taking off? Well, you're already there, affiliate links in hand. Latest content format becoming popular. You're on it quicker than a squirrel on a nut. So there you have it. Affiliate marketing without a website is not just possible. It's potentially more lucrative and definitely more flexible than traditional methods. By leveraging social media, email marketing, and other platforms, you can build a thriving affiliate business with minimal overhead and maximum creativity. Also, what's the craziest or most creative way you ever promoted an affiliate product without a website? Or if you're new to this, what wild idea are you itching to try? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And well, that's basically affiliate marketing for beginners. How to start without a website. And thank you guys so much for watching today's video. And hey, it seems that YouTube thinks that the next video can completely transform your financial situation. Watch to find out whether they're correct. And please don't forget to click the subscribe button to see more videos on how to thrive wisely. Till next time.